Hi Lana, hello and welcome once again to Lana's Coach. So we are going to basically look at how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So as you know, Microsoft has been upgrading the operating system. Remember, we started way back. We had Windows XP, we had Windows 7, and I know majority of us currently are still using Windows 10. But in practice, they have already rolled out Windows 11, and most people are also using Windows 11. So if you are there and you're using Windows 10 and you're wondering how can you upgrade to Windows 11, and I think this particular video is going to be helpful. Now, we have also bottlenecks that people encounter, and I think this is what has informed me to create this particular tutorial. So maybe you could be having a particular PC or laptop that cannot be able to maybe upgrade to Windows 11. So what should you do? So first we are going to look at some compatibility issues that you need to take note of. Is when I'll show you the right website to actually download Windows 11. So as you're aware, Microsoft actually deals with the legit operating system. So you don't need to really beat around the bush. Otherwise, you'll not have the right security upgrades. So the first thing that I'll recommend is that you click within the description. I've shared this particular link, right? The Microsoft link here. So this particular link, it's if you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular web page, right? As you can see, upgrading to Windows 11 is actually free, right? The only problem is that is your computer compatible with this particular operating system. So once you are in this particular site, we want to check for compatibility. So you have to scroll down, just scroll down until you get to a point where we have check for compatibility. Now, there are two options here. You can either download PC Health Check app, which I think always recommend. As you can see from my computer, I've already downloaded it. It is here at the top left, right? So it's a very good way to show you if your particular computer actually meets the requirements. But again, you can always click on the same minimum system requirements, which I'll use for now. So this one is going to show you, maybe to guide you if your computer really has the right system requirements for you to be able to upgrade to Windows 11. So as you can see here, the minimum requirement for the processor is actually 1 gigahertz, right? So this one is the minimum compatibility for the processor. For the RAM, you must have 4 gigabytes for your RAM, right? Take note of that. Storage, you need to have at least 60 4 GB and above. That is for storage. I think these are the crucial requirements. Of course, the firmware and of course the graphics card display. You need to have some kind of high definition and so on. Internet connection for updating is also required. So just to maybe ensure that you get the right requirements, I'll always suggest that you use the PC check. PC check is this one. So once you download it, it will automatically give you the right system requirements that your computer or laptop actually has, right? So the first way is actually to get the right system requirements, compatibility. Now the question is, if suppose you don't meet the necessary requirements, now you don't need to worry, right? As Microsoft has given us some kind of grace period up to 2025. So you still have like 3 or so years to still use your Windows 10. So there's no hurry, but it's better that you at least make some step towards upgrading your Windows 10 to the latest version, which is Windows 11. So for those who have met the right requirements, as indicated here, then you need to move to the right website that you're going to download Windows 11 for free. So again, I've shared that particular link where you're going to download this particular Windows 11. So to download, you simply go to this particular website. I've shared it within the link. Kindly click on it. Right here, we have three options, right, that you can always use for installing your Windows 11. Now, the most recommended one is actually to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Yeah, so you simply come and click on the download now option. So this one is a very straightforward option of downloading and installing your Windows 11. Of course, you can also have the second option, creating your Windows 11 installation media, right? This is another option that can always enable you to reinstall or have a clean installation of Windows 11. For those of us who like using images or the ISO, also you have that particular option. So you can always download an ISO image and automatically install it. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is just the best ways of how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So, take note of the compatibility issues. If you can't meet those particular system specifications, there's no hurry. You still have 3 or 4 years to actually ensure that you have the right computer for installation. All right. Thanks.